Take this medicine for a week and you'll start to feel better. Are you sure? It's the best on the market. Yes, I am. Can you please prescribe another one? A. What shall I do if unexpected side effects arise? B. What is the ideal dosage for my weight? C. No, it's too early to prescribe another medicine. D. But I've used it before and it did not help at all. E. It looks as if the illness has already been cured. Two. Jake. How did you like the movie you saw last night? Karen. I can't say it was the best I've ever seen. Jake. Karen. Certainly not. Do not waste your time. A. Did you go alone or with a friend from work? B. Hadn't you read the reviews before you went to see it? C. What do you mean by saying it depends? D. I knew I could always count on you. E. Then you wouldn't recommend it, would you? Third. Father. What? You crashed the car again? Son. Father. I'm sure it wasn't. This is the third accident you have had this year. Son. You're very angry now, Dad. We had better talk about this later on. A. I do apologise. I promise it won't happen again. B. Was the car in good condition? C. But it wasn't my fault. You've got to believe me. D. Was it worth the money and time you had wasted? E. Why do you ask? Don't you know it's too late now? Four. Chuck. Sue. Why do you think so? Chuck. Whenever we meet, she pretends not to see me. Sue. I don't think it's because she hasn't got over her anger. She's having a bad time at work nowadays. A. It seems that Martha is still angry with me. B. Martha will never make a good manager. C. I have never seen a smarter woman than Martha. D. One thing that I especially like about Martha is her sincerity. E. Martha has finally managed to get over her resentment. Five. Tom. Mary, are you kidding? We are in June. Tom. So what? What's wrong with June? Mary. The right time to trim your roses is the beginning of winter when they lose their flowers. A. Are you going to plant those roses in your garden in June or July? B. Can you help me prune the roses in the garden at the weekend? C. I didn't know your brother knew so much about gardening. D. Have you got any idea what the right time is to shorten rose plants? E. Are we supposed to do anything special to keep the roses fresh? How many did you get correct? Let me know in the comment. See you in the next video. Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.